What is AI, and why is it associated with robots? In its simplest form, artificial intelligence, or AI, is the science focused on creating systems and machines capable of simulating human intelligence to reason, learn, solve problems, and perceive the world. To understand AI, it's helpful to think in three categories. The first, narrow AI, is what we use every day, like Siri or the Netflix algorithm that recommends movies. It is designed and trained for a single task. Then we have general AI, which is a theoretical intelligence that could perform any intellectual task a human can. And finally, artificial superintelligence, which is even more futuristic and refers to an AI that surpasses the most brilliant human minds. Now, why is AI so associated with robots? Think of a robot as a physical body, a machine with arms, wheels, sensors, and motors. Without intelligence, that robot would be like a puppet, only able to follow pre-programmed instructions. This is where AI comes in. AI is the robot's brain. It is the intelligence that allows the robot to perceive the world with cameras, reason to decide the best route to avoid an obstacle, and learn to improve its performance with experience. In short, AI transforms a robot from a simple tool into an intelligent system. It is the difference between a robotic arm that can only make a repetitive movement in a factory and a robot that can navigate a warehouse, identify a new product, and decide the best way to handle it. AI gives robots autonomy and intelligence, making them much more useful and versatile in the real world.